So I visited. Firstly, I am Sanjay Badal from Dukase Indian Furniture, Gurgaon, India, and I visited Blue Elephant Company for my upcoming project and my new factory, which I set up in Gurgaon, Delhi, India. So I found there's lots of machines and there is lots of options in CNC, side drilling machine, cutting machine. So I feel this is good place to buy machines if you are coming to China. This is good option, good factory, good options, good staff, and Mrs. Helen, Miss Vicky, very good marketing, very good feedback for all the customers they are buying. Thank you so much, Blue Elephant. Have a good time. Have a good wishes.